Hello everyone. In continuation to be discussion on washers, gaskets and clutches in the last video, we will now talk about keys, jibs, Gibbs strips, cotter and circlips.
Task 4. Replacing key. Step 1. Assemble hub and shaft with parallel key. Step 2. Assemble hub and shaft with tapered jib head key. Parallel key fitting. Step 3. Deburr the keyways in the shaft and the hub. Clean the keyways. Step 4. Check the dimensions of shaft and hub and keyways using precision instruments. Outside dia of shaft, inside dia of hub, length, width and depth of keyway as per the drawing. Step 5. Select a length of key steel of suitable cross-section depending on the size of the key. Step 6. File radius at one end of the key and cut to a length plus 1 mm of the key and file other end of the key. Ensure that the key is chamfered all around in its bottom side edges. Step 7. Check the key width to suit the keyway in the shaft. Draw file the key so that it is slide tab fit or light keying fit K7 height 6 with the keyway on the shaft. Step 8. Check the key for slide tab fit with the keyway in the hub. Step 9. Apply Prussian blue on all sides and bottom portion of the key so that proper bearing of key on the keyway is ascertained. Step 10. Insert the key in the keyway of the shaft and tap with a lightweight soft hammer. Step 11. Tap the hub on the shaft and remove the hub from the shaft. Check the key and note the high spots where the key has made contact with the keyway of the hub. Step 12. Lightly file the high spots away. Top of the key should be approximately 0.1 mm clear. Step 13. Repeat the fitting and filling operation until the hub is fit onto the shaft to the desired position. Task 5. Replace or adjust jib. Step 1. Removing the adjusting screws from the dovetail slide. Step 2. Dismantle the jib from the cross slide. Step 3. Clean the slide surfaces, adjusting screws, nuts and jib thoroughly. Step 4. Inspect all the parts for and check any damage. Step 5. Lubricate the slideways. Step 6. Assemble the jib. Step 7. Tighten the adjusting screws to give the correct freedom required in the assembly. Step 8. Lock the movement of the adjusting screw by the check nut. Adjust the jib strip. Objective. This will help you to adjust and align the jib strip in a lathe. Step 1. Loosen the lock nuts. Step 2. Remove the set screws. Step 3. Pull the jib out. Step 4. Clean all the parts. Step 5. Check the straightness of the jib using Prussian blue. Step 6. Scrape the jib to get even surface to prevent stick-slip motion of the cross slide. Step 7. Lubricate all the parts. Step 8. Assemble the jib into the dovetail slide and position it. Step 9. Adjust the screws and eliminate the clearance between the slides for getting the correct freedom required in the assembly. Step 10. Lock the movement of the adjusting screws by the checking nut. Step 11. Hold the jib in correct position firmly while locking the check nuts. Step 12. Check the function of the cross slide. Task 6. Replace cotter. Step 1. For removing cotter from work unit, loose the nut slightly, then slowly strike with soft hammer. Step 2. Then loose the nut completely, pull the cotter pin. Insert the new cotter pin in the hole, strike with hammer. Step 3. After tightening the pin, fix it. Task 7. Replace circlip. Step 1. Assemble external circlip using cone and compression bush. Step 2. Assemble internal circlip using cone and compression pin. Step 3. Assemble external and internal circlips using pliers. Step 4. Dismantle external and internal circlips using pliers. During assembly, circlip is to be spread or closed as far as it is necessary for positioning on the shaft or installing in the housing board. Assemble external circlip using cone and compressor brush. Step 1. Circlips without assembly holes are best assembled by means of cones. Step 2. Place the cone over the shaft in which the circlip is to be fixed. Step 3. Place the circlip over the cone. Step 4. Place the compression bush over the circlip. Step 5. Press the compression bush by suitable means depending upon the size of the circlip slowly and smoothly until the circlip is seated in the groove. Assemble internal circlip using cone and compression pin. Step 1. Place the cone over the board in which circlip is to be provided. Step 2. Place the internal circlip in the tapered bore of the cone. Step 3. Place the compression pin over the circlip. Step 4. Press the compression pin slowly and smoothly until the circlip is seated in the groove in the board. Assemble and dismantle circlip using pliers. Step 1. Select suitable circlip pliers depending upon the circlips to be used, external or internal. Step 2. Remove all sharp edges from the circlip and check for the crack if any. Assemble internal circlip. Step 1. Hold the internal circlip with help of an internal circlip plier. Step 2. Press the circlip with the help of the plier so that its diameter will be smaller than the hole diameter. Step 3. Insert the circlip in this position in such a manner that it will sit squarely in the groove. Step 4. Take out the plier. Assemble external circlip. Step 1. Hold an external circlip with the help of an external circlip plier. Step 2. Press the external circlip plier so that the circlip will enlarge in diameter. Step 3. Slide the circlip on the shaft in the enlarged position until it is set in the shaft groove. Step 4. Ensure that the circlip sits squarely in the groove. Step 5. Take out the plier. Step 6. For dismantling the internal and external circlips, the above procedure can be reversed and applied.
I hope you can check washers, gaskets, clutches, keys, jibs, cotters and other components after viewing this video and replace or repair them as necessary. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day.